Hello everyone. Today I have Mini Cooper 2010 coolant leakage. It's common issue on these type of cars, and today I will try to sort this problem. Common problem for coolant leakage on this car is thermostat housing worn and start dropping coolant on gearbox. That's mean first sign of bad thermostat housing is puddle top of the gearbox. I already investigated actually definitely this problem. Need to replace thermostat housing, this part. It's quite easy job if you have standard tool set. I will show you how to do it in home garage. Let's do it. All pipes disconnected hose pipe, and now the one plastic pipe under the engine with this clamp. It's not easy to record how to do it. For this job I use a long pliers. Just push it up this clamp and take out pipe. But before you have to remove 3 bolts from the housing. This 1, 2, 3. It's located like this, yeah. 10mm bolts. And after this clamp. Make sure you will tidy up this area with any sandpaper or Scotch Brite grey wine, otherwise it can leak again. That's it, clamp fitted in place. Yeah, and check it, pull it back, all nice. all pipes fitted, and I don't know it will work now or not. Here is on thermostat air drain plug with 30 millimeter spanner. You can little bit unscrew it and air have to go away. We'll see if it works now or we have to do it after engine start. Here is not enough space for socket. That's why we will use wide flat screwdriver. Yes, it's work. I can hearing how air go away, and wait until water going through. Yes, water going through. Now I have to tight, but not too hard, because there is a plastic thread and can easy break. Okay, now we have to again little bit make it dry on the top of gearbox, assemble all another stuff, and start engine for checking if oil, if coolant hold and no more leakage. Job done. Everything fitted back apart one air pipe here. It's only because I have to start car now and make sure no more coolant leak. Engine has to be warmed up, and we'll see now. Job done, no any single drops after heat up engine. Good job, thank you for watching, like, subscribe, see you next video.